In this video I will show how to clean the glass on a Montigo residential gas fireplace. I will now show how to remove the glass door on a variety of models. For safety purposes, ensure the fireplace is cooled down as well as gas and electrical connections have been cut off. Then, remove the front metal plate as shown here. And after this, unhinge the clamps using the provided tool and remove the door. Put the tool into the slot on the clamp, pull towards you, and push down. Please note that the door suction tool is not necessary, but recommended as the glass is heavy. Having a very similar clamp design to the Distinction, the trick with the Delray is sliding out the front metal plate. The Divine and Phenom series have a different clamp design from the rest. To disconnect the clamps, pull up and away. It is helpful to familiarize yourself with this before removing the door. On our Illume fireplace inserts, the screen and glass door are attached, as shown here. Next up is our Mahana series outdoor fireplace. First, remove the screws that line the bottom of the door. They hold a metal plate in place. Once those screws have been removed, remove that metal plate, as shown here. After this, remove the two innermost screws on the bottom of the door. They should look something like this. The door assembly should now be able to slide out and up, and then be removed. It is important to use a cleaner designed to remove carbon, instead of an ammonia-based cleaner such as Windex. Follow instructions specific to the glass cleaner. Typically this involves spreading an even layer of cleaner and then wiping it off.